Hi, my name is Kevin Rundlett. I'm the owner of Rundlett Law Firm. We're located in Clinton, Mississippi, and our focus is to represent injured workers in the state of Mississippi. We've been doing this for 23 years. We're set up with Christian values, which means we love and serve our clients. Our purpose, because we know that workers' compensation cases are filled with anxiety. There's a lot of unknowns for people when they're injured and they can't work. So we're there to help them and guide them through that process and hopefully alleviate a lot of those anxieties. At Rundlett Law Firm, we are committed and focused on representing injured workers in the state of Mississippi, which means we help people with workers' compensation claims in our state. What does this mean? If someone's injured on the job and they can't go back to work, or even if they can go back to work but they still have injuries, there are legal remedies, there are legal issues that are going to come up that our clients need to know, and we are designed and set up to help people through those issues. We know that workers' compensation cases not only affect you yourself, but we know most people have families they're trying to support. It affects them as well. It affects those around you. It creates life questions. Do I have enough savings? Am I doing the right thing here? Should I settle the case? Should I go to this doctor or go to this doctor? So at Rundlett Law Firm, we have answers to all of these questions, and this is how we do it. How do we help people through this situation that they have when they've been injured at work? Well, workers' compensation is our focus, and we've been doing this for a very long time. Rundlett Law Firm has been in existence for 23 years. So we're set up with an intake team that's there to answer your initial questions and help you get into our system if that's what you choose to do. And then we have team members who are set up to help walk you through the workers' compensation case, meaning helping you decide, well, who should the next doctor be that I go see? Do I need to see a specialist, and do I need help getting this to happen? Am I getting the benefit checks that I need? We've got team members that will help fight for you. We've got litigators that will help fight for you, meaning if the insurance company and the defense does not want to approve a treatment that your doctor has said you need, we will immediately file a motion trying to force them to do what they should do anyway. Now, we also have attorneys and staff members that will help when it comes time to resolve your case. In most situations, it's best for our clients to divorce from the insurance company that's been providing the treatment, because normally what they do is they delay treatments. They will put you through miserable situations when you're trying to just get better, where they could pay you a lump sum of money, which we will try to get for you so that you can control your medications and your medical treatment from here on. We are set up to help you through this workers' compensation process. We have team members for every facet that you're going to face. At Rundlett Law Firm, we're different than a lot of firms in that we have Christian values. We try to follow those in everything that we do, but we also focus on communicating with our clients. Too often we hear complaints from people who have been with other firms, and they say they just can't get their lawyers, they can't get anybody at the office, they can't get answers to their questions. We are very committed to making sure our clients are fully aware of every stage of the process and are there to help us make the right decisions. So what we try to do at Rundlett Law Firm, if you have a workers' comp injury and you call us and we're both interested in trying to help you out, if our firm is interested in helping you out and you're interested in us doing that, first thing we're going to do is explain the process to you so you understand what's going to happen next. We will also set you up with an attorney, a litigator that will be handling your case, and you're going to develop a game plan, because every case is a little bit different and what's needed in every case is a little bit different. We will keep you involved throughout the process. We consider you as a client part of our team. The big decisions in your case are yours. These situations will be explained to you completely to where you get to make that decision. Meaning, at the end of the case, when you're as good as you're going to get medically and it's time to potentially settle the case, the decision to try to settle it is yours, and the amount of this settlement is yours. We will help guide you through this process. How can you get in touch with us if you feel like you have questions or want to potentially get our help. It's easy. First thing you can do is go to our website, rundlettlawfirm.com. There's a chat feature there. Those chat discussions come directly to us. If you have a question and you want to send us an email, send it to info@rundlettlawfirm.com. Those emails also come directly to our team. They're not going overseas to a phantom sales force that filters them and potentially gets them to us. They're coming right to us in Clinton, Mississippi. You can also call us on the telephone at 601-353-8504. If you do call us, you're going to get a live person. It's going to come right to us. If you have a question about a workers' comp case, call us. We're here to help.